Hello, everyone. In today's session, we are going to understand what currency rate types are and how to set them up in Onfinity ERP. The agenda is to explore the setup process of currency rate types. The objective is to help you understand how currency rate types function within the Onfinity ERP and their relevance in the context of business processes. To begin with, some prerequisites must be fulfilled. A configured tenant is required in your environment. Organizations should already be set up within the tenant to enable currency conversions. Now, let's understand what a currency rate type is. Currency rate types are the rules or methods used to convert one currency into another. They are especially useful in multi-currency environments, where transactions, accounting entries, or financial reports need to be recorded or presented in different currencies. Onfinity ERP provides a few default currency rate types. Spot is used for real-time transactions and daily currency conversion. Average is typically used for internal reporting and performance analysis, utilizing average exchange rates. Company represents standardized conversion rates based on company policy. Period might be used mainly during financial closings and revaluations. Apart from these, you can also define custom currency rate types. For example, if your organization requires different exchange rates for the morning, afternoon, and evening, you can create 3 distinct rate types named morning, afternoon, and evening. These rate types can be selected during transactions to ensure accuracy. Currency rate types are essential in several areas. They support multi-currency operations by enabling businesses operating in different countries to handle various currencies. They ensure accurate reporting by allowing financial data to be presented at different levels, such as local, global, or group-wide. They help meet compliance requirements, as some regulatory frameworks demand reports in specific currencies. They aid in exchange rate management by tracking and managing the impact of currency fluctuations. Let's now move into the system to create the custom rate types mentioned in the example: morning, afternoon, and evening. You can search for the currency rate type window using the search utility, or navigate directly through company and global settings. Under Global Settings, open Currency Rate Type. The system provides 4 default currency rate types that cannot be modified, as they are created at the system level. To create a new one, click on New Record. Enter the name of the rate type, for example, morning rates. A search key can be entered manually or will be generated by the system automatically. Optionally, a description can also be added. If your system is configured to pull conversion rates automatically, select the currency rate update frequency. This can be set to daily, weekly, or monthly. If not selected, the system will use the update frequency defined at the tenant level. If applicable, a surcharge percent or value can be added to adjust currency conversions. Save the record. Create the next entries for afternoon rates and evening rates using the same method. If the rate type will be available to all organizations, select the star organization. Otherwise, assign it to the specific organization. Once the currency rate types are created, they can be used in currency conversions. To demonstrate, open the currency window, select INR, and then navigate to the Currency Rate tab. Click on New Record and search for the target currency, such as USD. Enter the valid from date and select the rate type, for instance, morning rates. Enter the rate, such as 86.12, and the multiplier will be calculated accordingly. Save the record. Repeat the process to define afternoon and evening rates. Select the appropriate rate type, enter the applicable date or month, and provide the exchange rate. For example, 86.14 for the afternoon rate and 86.26 for the evening rate. In this way, daily, weekly, or monthly rates can be configured for different rate types depending on business needs. That concludes our session on setting up currency rate types in Onfinity ERP. Please join us in the next session. Thank you for attending.